99% students do wrong with this question. We have to find the value of the question mark. Whatever the relation between 2 and 5, there should be same relation with 5 and the question mark here. Okay, so most of the students solve it like this. Just double this number. It's 2 plus 2 is equal 4. When we add 4 plus 1, we get this 5. Okay, same they do it with this one. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 plus 1 is equal 11. But 11 are not in this option. Then what to do now? It means this is wrong. We have to opt some other way, as 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. Okay. So what comes after 2? What comes after 2? After 2 it's a 3. 3 is also a prime number, 2 is also a prime number. Okay, when we add both these number, we get number 5. Okay, means this one. Okay, so same do it with this one. 5 plus what comes after 5, but it should be a prime number, it's a 7. So when we add 5 plus 7, we get 12. Okay, so 12 is in this options, so it means 12 is our final answer. Thanks for watching.